Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to check how to link notes in Apple Notes. If you are new, hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. I'll show you simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open a note in Apple Notes. Highlight the text you want to link. Right-click and select Add Link or use Command K. Type the name of the note you want to link to. Select the note and click OK. Your text turns orange and underlined, meaning it's linked. Step 2. On iPhone or iPad, open Apple Notes and select some text. Tap Add Link from the menu. Type the note name and select it. Tap Done. Your link is now created. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more productivity tips. Watch this next video on the Zettelkasten method in Apple Notes for more advanced strategies. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.